Hey Beautiness, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot ass minute. It's been about 3 years. Wow, can't believe I'm saying that. It's been 3 years. Reasons why I haven't recorded. I got pregnant. I had a baby. He's 2 years old now. Not saying that because I had a baby I can't make videos. It was just life kind of got me. I was busy. I've been busy. I'm in school, working, but without further ado, I want to just jump into the video. And today's video is going to be how I created this look right here using the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Please make true. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. So to start off, it's a new product. I haven't used it before. I got it for my January Ipsy bag. So it's called the Hanhoo Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. That actually feels so nice. Look how my face looks. It smells so good. Oh my god. I actually really like this feeling because my face is super dry. It gets super dry in the winter. And it's hard to find stuff that makes my face feel refreshed. This is doing it for me. It smells amazing. Okay. So next we're going to do eyebrows, and I'm going to be doing my brows off camera. So I will be right back. Now that my eyebrows have been done, I went ahead and concealed my eyelids with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the number light and the number 15 light. And I did that just to put a base as on my lids. And then I went ahead and put some scotch tape on the side, so that way when I do my eyeshadow, it just leaves a nice crisp clean line, which is what I like. I want to start off with saying that the eyeshadows in this palette are actually so beautiful. Like, wow. I'm in love with this color right here. This one and this one are like my two favorite shimmer colors. These two. Excuse my nails. They're so nasty. I'm letting them grow out just so they can be healthy again, because I was getting acrylics done so much and it just messed up my nails. So yeah. But let's just go into the color Bear. This color right here. And it's just like a banana tone shade. And we're gonna set that all over the eyelids. Now, to go into with a transition color, I'm going to use, I want to use Bybel. So it's just this like mauve color right here. Okay. Next, I'm going to be taking, it's actually the brush that came with the palette. It's this brush right here, the Anastasia. That one. And I want to go right into Boy. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. This color right here. It's this like chocolatey color. And I'm going to be using this shade on the outer corner of my eyes. I came back from work late last night. Oh wait, I didn't even work last night. What am I talking about? Why am I so tired? I went to bed late. I was up watching Grey's Anatomy. I've seen all the seasons of Grey's Anatomy, and it's just one of those shows that I can actually rewatch because I like it so much. So I'm just rewatching that right now. Okay, for the next shadow that we're going to be using on our eyelids, like the top right here, is going to be the color Moo, the color I was saying that I love. This color right here. And I'm going to be applying it with my finger. And then I go over it with a brush. My lips are super dry. I totally forgot to put lip balm on them before I put lipstick on. Okay, now I'm gonna take a flat shader brush. Why am I so tired? And then I'm gonna go with the same color and just kind of go over it with the same color. And then I want to go back with that same boy color, the dark brown, chocolatey brown. Okay, now that we are done with the eyeshadow, we can just go ahead and take off the tape. And as you can see, it leaves like whoosh, a crisp line, which is what I like. And then with any of that like excess stuff on the side, just go in with a baby wipe and just wipe it away. See? Anyways, moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using, this is literally my favorite foundation. I have been using this foundation for like 8 years maybe. It's the Maybelline, hold on. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in the color Sun Beige number 310. And it's super affordable. This is why I love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with, I will apply that with either my beauty blender or my silicone. I can hide it. My silicone blender. Found it. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and blend out my foundation with this e.l.f. silicone blender, not a sponge, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna blend my foundation out with that. Now that the foundation is done, we will move on to concealer. And the concealer I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and mine's in the color Neutralizer. Excuse me, mine's in the color Neutralizer in the number 150. So I will go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend out this concealer here. I'm going to bake, and what I will be baking with is my Mercier setting powder. And I just take my beauty blender and apply it with that. I like to just let that sit for a little bit while I move on to my eyes. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on, some lashes on. So I'm not gonna be winging out my eyes. I'm just gonna be lining just my eyelids just a little bit, so I kind of have an idea of where I'm gonna be placing my false lashes. And the false lashes I'm gonna be using is the number 1 with the Kiss brand. So I'm gonna apply those and I'll be right back. I'm low-key kind of cheesed because this lash took me, like, I had to take it off and put it on again because it was popping off. So hopefully it doesn't pop off anymore in the corner. If it does, I'm actually gonna have to take it off and put it on again. But anyways, I'm just trying to let these dry. I double stacked my lashes. If you guys want a video on how I do that, then just ask in the comments down below and I'll do that for you. I ended up using the Kiss Lashes number 11, so I just took 2 of those and stacked them. So now that we're done with our lashes, I'm going to move on to bronzer. And the bronzer I like to use is the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Is this one? Mine's all beaten up because that's how much I like it. And I'm just gonna take this Morphe like contour angle brush. Now that I'm done with bronzer, I want to work on my underline, my under eyes a little bit. I'm just going to take the shade Boy and put that underneath my eyelids, under my waterline. I just smudged a little bit of brown underneath, and then now I'm just gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now for highlighter, the highlighter I will be using is my Milani highlighter in the number 2. It's called Day Glow Strobe Light. This is literally like life for me. This is the one I've been using like every single day, literally. It's super affordable. I believe it was about $10, I want to say, which is super cheap for me because I get all my highlighters from, I hurt my back. I get all my highlighters from Sephora, and those were kind of pricey. Oh, before I put highlighter on, I want to spray my face a little bit with setting spray. The one I'm going to be using today is my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus setting spray in the scent Watermelon, and it's so good. I love how it smells. Kind of like that. And then now we're going to go in with our highlighter. Just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. Okay. For lips, I'm going to be using my favorite lip gloss, which is the Fenty lip gloss. I actually can't even see the color. Oh, it's called Fenty Glow. So this is the color. It smells so amazing. So this is how the look turned out. I'm so sorry that I didn't get a chance to say bye, but thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.